Hello guys, today I want to unbox this GoPro Hero 8 I just received from Amazon. This is Hero 5. If I'm not mistaken, Hero 8 should be kind of similar size as Hero 8, right? I mean Hero 5. So what do you need a box this big? Anyway, let's get to it. We really need to find a smaller box. It's a waste of resource. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. A box inside a box. What do you get here? Oh, 258 gig memory card. Nice. V30, I think is 30 megabyte per second upload and download speed. Yeah, should be okay. Speed up to 160 megabyte per second read and 90 megabyte per second writing. Fast. Okay, Hero 8. Wow, $7. Let's see what we got here. Hero 8 and dual battery charger and then another battery. It's a cleaning cloth. Another memory card, the 32 gig. That's it. And now this one, Hyper Smooth 2.0. This is what I'm looking for. Otherwise, I just use my Hero 5. Should be fine, but I guess I just need it for mountain biking. Ooh. Okay. I wonder how can I recycle this thing, just make it useful. I guess it's not that possible. Anyway, here's the camera. It's a real one, right? Compared to Hero 5. Hero 5 is a little bit thicker. And a little bit smaller. Cool. Okay, let me take this one off. A bunch of cards. Instruction. This charger cable. mount, one battery. It's the same battery as this one, right? I wonder what's the capacity of this one. Oh, here we go. Cannot read, too small. 1220 milliamp. Okay. How about this one? I guess I only get one battery and one charger. There's not two batteries. What do you mean by dual battery charge? Oh, okay, dual battery charge. You can charge two batteries at the same time. Another cable. One battery, same capacity. Yeah, the same. Use a charger. Cool. And here's a Hero 8. I guess I'm going to put it out and trying to record some mountain bike footage. Right, stay tuned.